You've been here the whole time doing this?
Caesar, I'm filming. I'm filming! Go! Good morning. I hope you're all enjoying the fall season so far. It's one of my favorites. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my cozy fall morning routine. A special thanks to Olay for sponsoring today's video. Let's get started. This is my morning voice. Usually the first one to get up, I peel myself out of bed pretty early so I can have some alone time. I think self-care is so important. I usually get up and just stare out the window and think about absolutely nothing. And then once I'm ready to start the day, I'll just get up and head to the restroom to brush my teeth and freshen up. After brushing my teeth, I use a soap bar to wash my face, something with very few ingredients. My skin is pretty sensitive, so I have to be careful. I break out very easy. So after that, I'll go in with a vitamin C serum from my acne scars and dark spots to brighten them up during the day. And to help reduce the appearance of my texture and my acne scarring, I've been using the Olay Regenerous Retinol 24 Max, which has 20% more of that retinoid complex. And I'm so excited about it because it's been working really well. I apply it during the day. It gives you 24-hour hydration, but when I apply it during the day, I definitely use an SPF with it. It's very lightweight and ultra hydrating. It has an active 24-hour potency, so it's active on the skin for 24 hours. As the day goes by, your skin is brighter and smoother. So I make sure to apply it all over my face, especially on the textured area around my cheeks and my neck. I'll do a quick, easy little hairstyle and then start my self-care part of the morning. Definitely wakes me up. And then I'm lighting a candle that's gonna get me in the holiday vibes. I just got this one from Yankee Candle. It's called Santa's Cookies. I'm pretty sure if Santa Claus's house had a scent, it would be this one. It smells like Christmas and I love it so much. My morning latte ritual is my favorite part of the morning. I'll mix a little bit of vanilla, actually a lot of vanilla almond milk and some almond milk creamer. This one is maple caramel and it gives you such cozy fall vibes and it just warms my heart so much. My coffee machine is a little different. It'll froth the milk from a cup and then it adds in the coffee and then I add a little bit more espresso and a little bit more milky foam and then I will top it off with some cinnamon and it's so delicious, you guys. I typically like to read self-help books in the morning, so this one is a new one from a friend. Her name is Xenia. She wrote this book called Empower Yourself. So I have been reading it and it's absolutely amazing, so inspiring and motivating. So I highly recommend this. And then after I do some reading, I will also do my 5-minute journal. And it's just a journal to say what you're grateful for. And it just sets the tone for the rest of the day. Woo. Do not belong there. You do not belong there. I always try and make time for my mom in the morning, so we'll FaceTime while I make breakfast. And today I'm making a maple brown sugar oatmeal with pecans and melted peanut butter. I felt like this was definitely fall vibes, especially topping it off with some cinnamon. Mom, love you. Jaden. Then I go into my closet and pick my outfit for the day. I'm a little indecisive when it comes to outfits, so I'll try to keep it down to a max of 2 options, but it usually, it's a little bit more than that. I love the baggy jean option, but I also wanted something a little bit more comfortable and stretchy, so I went for the leggings, but you guys let me know which one you think was cuter in the comments. Now it's time to put on some makeup for the day. I'll usually do something light. My thing with my makeup is fluffy brows, contoured eyes and face, and like a nice neutral lip with a little bit of gloss and some lashes. So this is like my go-to everyday look. And then for my hair, the easiest thing for me to do is a ponytail right now because my hair is this weird length. So I get my little ponytail wig, and then I'll pop it on and make sure everything is nice and slicked back. And then I'll go and choose some jewelry that matches the vibe of the outfit. And I will kind of just play around and see which ones I like, but I think I'm gonna go with this chain link look with these gold hoops. This has been one of my favorite perfumes for the holidays. It's warm and sweet and just makes me feel really cozy and happy. So I've been wearing this one, and then I go ahead and grab Jaden. We grab our mask and go and run any errands that we need to run for the day. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I hope you enjoyed my cozy fall morning routine. Bye, dollies.